Welcome to our channel, tech enthusiasts and defense analysts. Today, we're diving into a high-stakes comparison, US versus China, the design and technology behind military drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are at the forefront of modern warfare, and the innovations from both nations are nothing short of groundbreaking. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge features and strategic implications of these advanced drones. Number 10. Cybersecurity concerns in drone warfare. As military drones become more advanced, they are also increasingly relying on complex software and data networks, raising significant cybersecurity concerns. Both the US and China recognize the importance of safeguarding their drone technologies from potential cyber threats. The vulnerability of drones to hacking or electronic warfare poses risks that could undermine operational effectiveness and compromise sensitive data. The US has invested heavily in cybersecurity measures, focusing on protecting drone communications and ensuring secure data transmission. Advanced encryption techniques and resilient communication networks are critical to safeguarding against potential adversarial interference. In contrast, China has made strides in developing its cybersecurity protocols to protect its rapidly expanding fleet of military drones, particularly as they become more integrated into broader military operations. Number 9. Ethical implications of drone warfare. The rise of drone technology has sparked intense debates around the ethical implications of drone warfare. The US has faced scrutiny for its use of armed drones in targeted killings, often leading to civilian casualties and raising questions about accountability and the moral implications of remote warfare. The perceived detachment of drone operators from the battlefield can lead to a desensitization to violence, prompting concerns about the implications for military ethics. China's approach to drone warfare raises different ethical questions, particularly in terms of its potential use for surveillance and suppression of dissent within its borders. As Chinese drones are deployed for domestic surveillance and in regions with ethnic minorities such as Xinjiang, the ethical implications of their use for social control and repression are increasingly questioned. Both nations must grapple with the moral ramifications of drone technology as it becomes more pervasive in military operations. Number 8. International regulations and drone proliferation. As the capabilities of military drones continue to advance, the issue of international regulations regarding drone warfare and proliferation has gained prominence. The lack of comprehensive global regulations on military drone use poses significant challenges, particularly as more countries develop and acquire drone technologies. The potential for drone proliferation raises concerns about an arms race, especially in regions with existing geopolitical tensions. The US has advocated for international frameworks to govern drone use, emphasizing the need for transparency and accountability. However, China's rapid development and deployment of military drones complicate these efforts. The challenge lies in balancing national security interests with the need for responsible use of drone technology. International cooperation is crucial to establish norms and regulations that can mitigate the risks associated with the proliferation of military drones. Number 7. The role of defense contractors in drone development. The competition between the US and China in military drone technology is also influenced by the involvement of defense contractors. In the US, major defense companies such as General Atomics, Northrop Grumman, and Lockheed Martin have played pivotal roles in developing advanced drone systems. These companies invest significantly in research and development, pushing the boundaries of drone technology through innovative designs and cutting-edge features. In China, state-owned enterprises like AVIC, Aviation Industry Corporation of China, and CASC, China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, dominate the drone industry. The Chinese government's support for these companies has enabled rapid advancements in drone capabilities, allowing them to compete on the global stage. The role of defense contractors in both nations highlights the interplay between government support and technological innovation in shaping military capabilities. Number 6. The future of US-China drone competition. The US-China competition in drone technology is likely to intensify as both nations continue to prioritize military modernization. In the coming years, advancements in AI, machine learning, and data analytics will play a crucial role in enhancing drone capabilities, allowing for more sophisticated missions and operational strategies. Both countries will likely invest in developing swarm technologies, stealth drones, and autonomous systems to maintain their competitive edge. Moreover, the geopolitical landscape will shape the future of this competition, with regional alliances and partnerships influencing drone development and deployment strategies. As both the US and China seek to assert their influence globally, the integration of drone technology into their military strategies will remain a focal point, with implications for international security and stability. The evolving dynamics of US-China drone competition will be pivotal in shaping the future of modern warfare and defense strategies worldwide. Number 5. US drone technology, precision, and versatility. The The United States has long been a pioneer in drone technology, investing heavily in the development of UAVs for a wide range of military applications. American drones such as the MQ-9 Reaper and RQ-4 Global Hawk are renowned for their precision targeting and surveillance capabilities. These drones are equipped with advanced sensors, including high-resolution cameras, radar, and electronic warfare systems, enabling them to gather intelligence and conduct strike missions with remarkable accuracy. The U.S. military emphasizes versatility and adaptability in its drone design, with UAVs capable of conducting various missions from reconnaissance and surveillance to targeted strikes and logistics support. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning into U.S. drone technology has further enhanced their operational capabilities, allowing for real-time data analysis, improved decision-making, and autonomous flight operations. This focus on precision and multi-role capabilities has positioned U.S. drones as key components in contemporary military strategy. Number 4. China's rapid advancements in drone technology. In recent years, China has emerged as a formidable player in the military drone landscape, rapidly advancing its capabilities and production capacity. Chinese drones such as the Winglong Q and CH-5 are designed for a variety of roles, including surveillance, combat, and logistics. China's approach to drone technology emphasizes affordability and mass production, allowing for the deployment of large numbers of drones in military operations. China's military drone development is characterized by a focus on indigenous technology and a commitment to incorporating advanced features. Many of their drones are equipped with cutting-edge sensors, targeting systems, and stealth capabilities, making them formidable adversaries on the battlefield. Additionally, China's emphasis on unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, showcases its intent to challenge U.S. air superiority through innovative drone designs capable of engaging in offensive operations. Number 3. Design and philosophy. Stealth versus swarm tactics. The design philosophies of U.S. and Chinese military drones reflect their strategic priorities. U.S. drones prioritize stealth and advanced technologies to minimize detection. For instance, the S-47B and RQ-170 Sentinel exemplify this focus on low observable technology designed to operate in contested environments with reduced radar signatures. The U.S. military's emphasis on stealth allows for safer operations in enemy territory and enhances survivability during missions. Conversely, China's drone strategy often embraces swarm tactics, deploying numerous drones to overwhelm enemy defenses. The development of drone swarms, which can operate collectively to perform reconnaissance, engage targets, or disrupt communication networks, highlights China's innovative approach. This tactic aims to create a significant advantage in numbers, leveraging the cost-effectiveness of Chinese drone production to challenge U.S. air dominance. Number 2. Operational deployment, real-world applications. The operational deployment of military drones has revealed differing strategies between the U.S. and China. The U.S. has extensively used drones in combat scenarios, notably in Afghanistan, Iraq, and Syria, demonstrating their effectiveness in intelligence gathering, targeted strikes, and counter-terrorism operations. U.S. military drones have proven their ability to conduct precise strikes with minimal collateral damage, reinforcing their role as strategic assets in asymmetric warfare. China, on the other hand, has focused on developing its drone capabilities to support regional power projection and assert its interests in contested areas. The deployment of Chinese drones in the South China Sea and near Taiwan showcases their use for surveillance, reconnaissance, and potential combat operations. China's emphasis on drone technology reflects its strategic objective to expand its influence in the Indo-Pacific region and enhance its military capabilities in addressing emerging threats. Number 1. Future trends, technological innovations, and strategic implications. The future of military drones will likely be shaped by ongoing technological innovations and the evolving geopolitical landscape. Both the U.S. and China are investing in next-generation drone technologies, including hypersonic drones, advanced AI integration, and enhanced connectivity for real-time data sharing. The incorporation of advanced materials and manufacturing techniques will also play a crucial role in enhancing the performance and capabilities of military drones. Strategically, the competition between the U.S. and China in drone technology will have profound implications for global security dynamics. As both nations seek to assert their military dominance, the development of drone capabilities will likely impact their foreign policies and influence military alliances. The race for advanced drone technology is not just about military superiority, it also reflects broader geopolitical ambitions, with implications for regional stability and international relations. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of military drones. If you found this comparison as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into defense technology. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which country's drone technology impressed you the most? Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead in the tech race.